I just received my box. And I think this is my watch organizer or something. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, it's hard to open it. Let's see.
Sana all may package.
Yeah, this is really nice. Actually, I ordered it online. Oh, lots of things inside. Oh, a box, and then another box. There you go. Huh. Nothing in here. Another one. Actually, I ordered some patches too for my backpack because wherever I go, in any states or in any country, I buy some patches, but it's because they don't have it, so I have to order it online so that I can put it in my backpack. So you will see that my backpack had lots of patches because that's where I went. All the countries, all the states that I've been to, I put it in my backpack. Oh, this is nice. Like, ooh. Let's see. Wow. Perfect. It's kind of like cruisy. There's a little bit of like damage in here, but it's okay, I think. And I don't know how to open it. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Look at guys. Yep. Nice, right? This is a watch organizer. There's a key inside, and that one you have to throw that away. And this one too. Oh, there's another one. Oh, look, it's fancy. I can put my collection of watch, jewelries, rings, and any kind that I had. So yeah, looks fancy, right? Yeah. So this is a watch organizer.